Use timestamps to directly jump on the solution if you are impatient. Have you struggling with the bad leveling on your 3D printer? Is your extruder all the way up on one side and down on the other side? Have you tried everything, adjusting Z offset, tweaking G codes for a wrapped bed, and still no luck? If you have watched every tutorial and nothing has worked, this video might just be the one that finally fixes it for you. Big thanks to YouTube creators and Reddit users who helped me along the way. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check your printer's spacers. For reference, I am using the Anycubic Kobra Neo 2, which comes with hard plastic spacers. If you have the same issue where you can't level the bed because it's wrapped, keep this in mind. Reddit user suggested losing the X-gantry, removing the Z-axis rod and placing two identical cans on both sides of the gantry. After trimming it, you can reinsert the Z-axis rod and tighten the screws. While this works for some, it didn't solve my problem. The solution that worked for me, since the plastic spacers were the problem, someone recommended replacing them with silicone spacers. I thought it was worth a try, but two new problems came up. First, I wanted a cheap fix, less than a price of a Happy Meal. And second one, no one was selling just 4 identical silicone spacers online to this poor kid. So what did I do? I decided to make my own using a DIY silicone molding ninja technique. It might sound messy, but after an hour of adjustments, my bed was finally level as my chest. Conclusion. So if your bed leveling is driving you crazy and you have tried everything, give this solution a try. It's affordable, and if you are like me, it just might be the final fix for your 3D printer woes. Stay tuned for more 3D printing tips and tricks.